How is everyone going? If you checked out my last video, what I uploaded 1 week ago, I was talking about someone special, and I was talking about myself too, about motovlogs and compilations and the stuff I wanted to tell you guys, like out from my heart, release it. But I got a special guest here today, and if you've been with my channel since the start, you would know him. I usually say his name a lot, but he is here. Oh my god, guys, it's Rides Jr. He is back on the road. With his 650 CF Moto. Oh, look at this CF Moto. It's a 650, juicy. And if you remember, guys, he lost his license 9 months ago. You want to tell them? No? I'm gonna tell them. He was speeding. I won't tell you how fast he was going, but he lost it for 9 months. So you'll think, yeah, it was pretty fast. Yeah. Isn't that correct? Yeah. But he is back, guys. And when I was talking about the motovlogs in the last video, I was talking about him and how with his help now, we are going to try to make more motovlogs happen. I am planning to buy 2 Bluetooth talkers, like it's not speakers, communication systems, but probably not right now. He doesn't feel comfortable using it, and I think it's illegal too. But I want to try to make it a duo channel, a duo team when it comes to motovlogs. And I'm gonna chuck him all the equipment what I have. Get like a second lot. I'm gonna chuck him my old GoPro. Gonna get him a really cheap mount for his helmet if he wants to put it on this nice shiny bell helmet. Okay. He is on his phone. He is not listening to me. He is being disrespectful. I should just rip up your contract. You know, I own you basically. You signed a piece of paper saying you are basically my bitch, okay? But just wanted to tell you guys, he is back, and I get this new 360 camera coming soon. It's going to take about 2 weeks, and I'm going to try to make this channel. I'm still going to do compilations, but it's not going to be as much as motovlogs, but I'm going to try to make this a duo channel, try to make motovlogs really fun and exciting. But just wanted you to know he is back. He has his license again. We're going to try to not let him lose it again. It's up to him with his small brain. But if you're new to his channel, guys, and you want to see us work together, have amazing fun time, like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss my videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace. I'm not doing this again. I'm gonna put that in.